Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable country Christmas tumbler. If you like my tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you try any of my techniques or my tips and tricks, make sure to tag Diamonds and Dust so I can see yours too. Today we're going to start off with a 24 plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. Check the description box below as I will have a discount code for you. We are going to spray paint our tumbler white. I usually use satin. This was a flat or matte paint. I don't remember. It was kind of giving my alcohol inks a little bit of a fit. I wish I just took the time to go get the satin spray that I love, but we're going to make it work. So I'm going to take a makeup sponge and just apply different colors of brown from top to bottom. Once your tumbler is fully coated with all of those browns, we're going to go back in with our makeup brush and more ink on the makeup sponge. And I'm just going to keep going over that with shorter and shorter and shorter strokes, and we'll kind of give you that knotted wood grain look. We're going to do this around the tumbler, but alternating from top to bottom to top to bottom. Let those alcohol inks dry really well. I like to spray seal my tumbler just really, really lightly with a fine mist 1 or 2 times. It really helps seal the colors of those alcohol inks in. And then once that's dry, we're going to add a layer of epoxy. Now we're going to take my Fluffy Cows vinyl from my shop, and we cut it at about 3.5 inches, and we're just going to place that section right in the middle of our tumbler. Now we're going to grab some painter's tape and tape off the top and bottom of our vinyl. Now we are going to mix up a few milliliters of epoxy, and we are going to apply some glitter with the epoxy method. So you want this epoxy to be really smooth and thin and very evenly coated. Now we're going to take the glitter color Glacier, which is a really pretty opal, and it will shift to kind of like a light soft gold over this brown wood grain. We're going to ombre that from the vinyl down, and then we're going to do the same thing on the top, but we're going to ombre from the vinyl up. If you guys have enjoyed my tutorials, I also have a mentorship group where I do exclusive tutorials. You get a discount on my entire shop. You get 8 new SVGs every single month that are free for you to use however you would like. Lots of people make shirts, tumblers, tote bags, whatever. If you want more information on that, I have a link for you down in the description. You want to go ahead and remove that tape while that epoxy is still wet. Once your epoxy and glitter have cured, you're going to take your tumbler back over to your turner and epoxy your tumbler until it's smooth. I cut some bronze striping with my silhouette, and we're just going to place that striping on the top and bottom of our vinyl. I also cut out this cute SVG that I hand lettered that says Country Christmas, and I'm just going to place that at the base of that cow vinyl. Take your tumbler back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy. And here is our tumbler all finished. I think this one is so cute with those little fluffy cows. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.